आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे MS पावरपॉइंट पार्ट 1, जिसमें हम टॉप 20 क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करेंगे जो कि बार बार परीक्षा में आ रहा है, उसी के बारे में। टू ओपन द एग्जिटिंग प्रेजेंटेशन प्रेस आंसर Ctrl+O. नेक्स्ट, हाउ कैन द स्लाइड शो बी रिपीटेड continuously? आंसर loop continuously until escape key. Next, to insert new slide in the current presentation, we can choose answer Ctrl+M. Next, a file which contain ready-made style that can be used for a presentation is called answer template. Next, ellipse motion is a predefinite answer animation scheme. Next, from where can we set the timing for each object? Answer slideshow custom animation. Next, the arrangement of elements such as title and subtitle, text, pictures, table, it's called answer layout. Next, in PowerPoint, this is a container for text or graphics. Answer text box. Next, what do you do to start the slideshow? Answer click on the slideshow icon. Next, how can you stop a slideshow? Answer press escape key. Next, slide sorter of PowerPoint is available on dash menu. Answer view menu. Next, this is the menu commands used to apply a design template in PowerPoint. Answer format slide design. Next, this is task pane, show the design that is currently being used in a presentation. Answer slide design. Next, which key do you press to check spelling? Answer F7. Next, the spelling dialog box can be involved by choosing spelling from dash menu. Answer tools menu. Next, what is a slide transition? Answer a special effect used to introduce a slide in a slideshow. Next, to print the PowerPoint presentation, press answer Ctrl+P. Next, a chart can be put as part of the presentation using answer insert picture chart. Next, what does apply design template do? Answer changing the look of the slide without changing the content. Which view in PowerPoint can be used to enter speaker command? Answer node page view. Thank you watching for my YouTube channel.